Basically, it's just about data structures. There are different methods of doing programming. It's very neat because you find all these different methods. So you learn to do, like in programming one, you learn to do like one way of sorting. But when you get at programming two, you learn all these different ways of sorting that are so much more efficient. And then you also learn data structures, which are other ways to do more efficient programs. Makes everything easier.
And this course builds off the basic programming you learned in Programming 1 and expands it.
I feel like I've learned a very good amount in this course, and I feel like that's beneficial to me, and it will be beneficial once we actually start working on projects in software engineering and OOP, that I can use these data structures to, store the data that I'm dealing with.
I definitely think that this class definitely teaches you problem-solving skills, and so it won't just help me in further computer science courses, but also math courses and stuff like that. Just the way that you have to problem solve and you have to debug pretty much everything that you write, and it just really teaches you to go back and take your time and focus and just make test cases, and it's really cool.
The most interesting thing I think I've learned is probably linked lists.
I would definitely say it's what we've been learning recently of binary search trees, where we get to just make a tree that can search out numbers for you. Learning, so definitely learning what data structures you can use, and learning, honestly, pointers has been very helpful. Honestly, 6 to 7, and honestly, probably not enough. Probably should have spent more, but I mean, I'm doing fine, so.
Usually I spend about 3 to 4 hours Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and usually I can knock out the homeworks and the programs that it gives us. And then I spend a little extra time, probably about 2 more hours, studying for the quizzes.
Ask questions. The professors are great. I was often stumped in class, and I would kind of ask, well, what if this would happen? I would be that kid, and they would always have an answer. And feel free to explore for yourself online. There's many different ways to do things. The professors are always open. Just don't be closed off. There's more than one way to do an assignment or a problem.
Definitely it has very much made me focus more on keeping my time organized, because it's very important to do that, and as a freshman you don't really think about time organization until it's too late. So that's definitely something that it's helped me with and will make the upcoming semesters easier.
I think that to write the program, basically you write it in an hour and a half, maybe an hour, and then you just spend the rest of the week constantly going back to your program and working on it and trying to figure out why doesn't this work, debugging your program. And so it really takes up a lot of your time, but in the end, to see that 100% you passed all the test cases is the best thing in the world.